Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox a Bldc motor with 30 amp ESC which I brought from Amazon. You can see this. This is the Bldc 30 amp which I received from Amazon. Let's just unpack this and let's see what's inside. You can see this is a 24 kV Bldc motor, sorry 2500 kV Bldc motor. We can use it for multiple purpose. Actually I'm planning to use it for a RC plane. Let's see. And another thing is this is propeller. This is quite strong actually. Yep, one is clockwise and another one is anti-clockwise propeller. So this is the next thing what you have inside, and this one is 30 amp ESC. Yeah, and it's very lightweight, I must say. This is very lightweight. 30 amp ESC. These things are pre-soldered actually, which is a very good thing. It cost me around 1100 or 1000 rupees. We can do test in another video. Thank you for now. Today I'm going to unbox this. I don't have LiPo right now to run this and test it. I'm right now just trying to assemble this, how it will be look like after assembling. So what is inside this box? We have a 22 kV 2500 kV brushless motor which is in very good condition. This is the base mount. This is 30 amp ESC, battery connection, motor connection. This is the original thing which we have got with the motor mount. So this is how it will go. It will fit into this, and this will the next. And this one is the propeller. Oh, okay. This is a very big propeller, I must say. Huh? So this is how it will be fitted. I think I'm doing some mistake. I'm not sure. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा यार ये इसको ऐसे भी लगाया जा सकता है. डोंट थिंक ये कोई प्रॉब्लम करेगा. डायरेक्टली हम इसको टाइट कर सकते हैं. यस. मेक श्योर करें कि इसकी अलाइनमेंट प्रॉपर रहे. यस, ये थोड़ा सा अलाइनमेंट इसकी प्रॉपर करनी पड़ेगी ताकि ये एक साइड ना वो हो जाए. And then what next? You use any sort of screwdriver or something to get it more tight. Yeah, that is it. Okay, I will test this and put another video. So subscribe the channel for now to check. Thank you.